there are two things I actually did not mention. Ukuthi ukhomanda backbone. I-backbone le EPTC yethu njengoba bakhuluma nje lapha nanipostation nje altogether, right? I-backbone. Lokho ukuthi sikwende one time. Singende kancane by the time sicetha, I think belithi liposi ufaka i-fiber optic throughout the country utawuphela nga-2034. Manje ke bahlobo by that time kuyabe sekuna new technology which takes over. Mina asife kanye. That's part of the thing. Bese siyabhadala ke kancane number one. But ke lokunye lesikwati ukuthi i-data must be affordable. We are one of the most expensive countries with data. And considering ukuthi isize yethu. And there are two reasons for that. The first one is that about investing in infrastructure, it takes them longer to be able to repay on the size yethu. The uptake yet for your data is quite low. And I really think that is because of the cost of data. Manje personally ithenga le data lalithenga khona. Ningakhohlwa phela bahlotshwa ukuthi sinabantu aba almost 800 eposini. Bafuna baholele wonke labantu labo. Ungikhange banika le costing imali so very itawudula. So that's a matter that needs to be discussed and figured out. How do we deal and upskill and differently skill postal workers? One, local mhlonishwa is absolutely doable. Abangangangcoshi before the 28 local banga. It's potentially impossible. Kuti singagwenda in an even shorter time period. What we've been able to do even before toilet imali they proceed. Bahlontsha bayakhumbula futhi eParliament kwasinafika ibudget yabo. Wakhalisa ukuthi awu ufuna konke lokhu ndawo nemali yechaphisi ucabanga ini. So we had to go out to imali. So vele sitawufika kini bahlonitshwa sibuze ngicela nisibambise kuloko.